Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Getty Cooks. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming. Today, we are making this easy, delicious stir-fry spaghetti. Let's get started. Into a pot, I'll go in with some water. Then we'll go in with some salt. I'll also add some curry powder. Then add a little oil. Cover this and let it boil. So after some few minutes, I'll then go in with my spaghetti and then stir everything all together and then cover this to be on the fire for just a few minutes. So we are not going to overcook the spaghetti. Okay, so after 5 minutes, checking on the spaghetti is okay. At this point, I'll just go ahead and then remove it off from the fire. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, I'm Getty. We make anything related to food recipes on this channel. Proceeding, in a pan, I will go in with some oil, let it heat for some few minutes, and I then went in with my eggs. In all, I use 2 eggs for this recipe. So I'll go ahead and scramble the egg before going in with my veggies. This recipe is so quick, easy and simple to put together. You don't need too much ingredients, just a few is perfect. And guys, after some time, the eggs are nicely scrambled and I'll go ahead and add my veggies. So I went in with some carrots. I also added some cabbage, green bell pepper and also onion. You can add any vegetables of your choice. I also added my cooked spaghetti, add some chili powder, some seasoning and also added oyster and dark sauce. I will mix everything nicely. Thank you so much. If you are still watching this video up to this point, I'm truly grateful. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach more audience. Okay, fam, so as you can see, everything is well combined and I really love it. This was so easy to make and you don't have to waste so much time in the kitchen making this recipe. And here is our stir fry spaghetti ready to be enjoyed. Guys, let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my detailed short videos on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube short as well. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. You don't have to pay. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.